So in part D, we're given proposed Lewis diagrams from AlCl3. In part 1, we need to identify a diagram which can be eliminated based on geometry. So we can see that diagram 2. In fact, this has a lone pair on the aluminium, which would mean that it's a trigonal pyramidal structure, not a trigonal planar. If we imagine this in 3 dimensions, this would kind of be the peak of the pyramid. It would force all of these other 3 sides a little bit down. And then in part 2, we ask which of these diagrams best represent AlCl3, justifying with formal charges. So formal charges, the way I like to calculate it is by looking at the number of valence electrons an atom must have, and then subtracting the number of bonds and dots. So bonds plus dots. So for example, for the first one, you can see that Al, we know Al has usually 3 valence electrons. It has 3 bonds, 0 dots on it, so 3 minus 3 is 0. Chlorine has 7 valence electrons. It has 6 dots and 1 bond, so that's again 7 minus 7, which is 0, 0, 0. However, we see here, for example, that here aluminium is going to be 3 minus 5, because it has 3 bonds and 2 dots, will be minus 2. So diagram 1 is going to be the one that we prefer. It has the all of the atoms have a formal charge of 0, which is the preferred structure. And this would also obviously be done for the third one. Here aluminium has 4 bonds. This would be a minus 1.